you know more about curses than you know about blessings, you will not be blessed. You know, it baffles me that many believers have schooled themselves in curses, generational curses. They know all the scriptures about generational curses. They don't know one scripture about generational blessing. They know all the scriptures about battles. They don't know one scripture about victory. They know all the names of the devil. They don't know the names of God. When you know more about curses than you know about blessings, you will not be blessed. Some years ago, the Lord spoke to me about this truth. He said, look at the prayers you people are praying. You know what? Number one, I found out that we spend a lot of time breaking curses. Then number two, I now realize that many of those prayers are coming from the place of fear, not the place of faith. And then he said to me, so when you are done, you are happy that you have done something. He said, but where is the blessing? And then I saw in scripture, it says, I have been anointed to bless. So I changed my prayer. I did what? I didn't hear that. Change the prayer. Spend little time breaking the curses and spend more time pronouncing the blessings. My God, the blessings are so powerful that if they arrive in your life, they make it look like there are no curses. The curses are pronounced because there are no blessings. But you can be so blessed that people will look at you and say you are never cursed. The curses will pack their load and look for another person. Another thing he said to me was, do you see the energy with which my people pray when it's time to deal with curses? And do you see the lack of zest, the lack of energy when it comes to pronouncing the blessing? And we say right now, every devil from the father's house, mother's house, die! Some people that are sleeping will jump up. Ask them to pray and say, I am blessed. I am blessed. And say, I am blessed. I am blessed. Spend more of your time dealing with the blessings than you deal with the curses. Most of us, we are blessed from heaven, but we do not pronounce the blessing. We don't speak the blessing over our children. We don't speak the blessing over our life. Look at what we just read, Psalm 92. David wasn't praying there. He was pronouncing. He said, my horn shalt thou exalt above like the horn of a unicorn. I shall be anointed with fresh oil. That is a pronouncement, sir. Unless you do bless yourself. I am blessed. I am uncursable. I am untouchable. I am unmolestable. I am the anointed of the Lord. My oil will not run dry. These are the pronouncement you need to invest time in. Lay your hand upon your child. Say, son, you are the head and not the tail. Now you are going above the hill. You are becoming like the horn. You are exalted. You are not coming down. My God. My generation, our parents so cursed us. If you know what I'm talking about, wave your hand. Oh, I know God. I remember you can just wake up in the morning and hear, and I couldn't warm my that you this boy, you are an animal. My dad would just look at you like this. Oh my lady woman. That's you this boy, you're a bastard. That was what we spent the money of our life accumulating. Then I came into grace and I realized that he has blessed me. I realized that he has made me accepted in the beloved. Then two things happened. Two things. Number one, I spent time reversing everything my father has said. Then number two, well, it can't work. It can't do work. It takes two to tango. You say something I don't agree with. I don't agree. The spirit that is to deliver it cannot deliver it, because the spirit is meeting at home is stronger. Say he has not peeled iniquity in Jacob. In fact, the Israelites didn't know that somebody was hired to curse them, but their God turned the curse into a blessing. You are